Hi DIYers, Joe from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to show you how to remove an iControl PIN module from your VISTA system. Now, an iControl, it's a third-party device that allows a certain integration with the system and some remote control stuff. We don't support it here at Alarm Grid. Really don't have a whole lot of information on it, so if you are interested in that, we won't be able to supply you with anything that you're going to need for it. What we can do though is help you remove it from your system. We have a lot of customers that come to us having one of these installed when they move into a new home. Maybe they have one set up and they want to get rid of it. They find that when they uninstall it, they have some problems because their keypad isn't showing up with anything from the panel. It can be kind of frustrating if you don't know what to look for, and today we're actually going to remove one from a VISTA system to show you what's going on with it. Now, as you can see, we have the iControl module here. We have the keypad that is connected to behind it, and we have our VISTA system down here. The way that iControl works is it actually connects to the ECP bus, and then there's another whip coming down from the PIN module that wires up to the keypad. So there's two things that we have to do. One is that we have to remove the iControl from the VISTA system, and the other thing we have to do is reconnect the keypad to the VISTA system. Now before you do any of this, you're going to want to completely power down your VISTA control panel. So what I'm going to do is undo the backup battery, and I'm going to unplug the main AC power. So now we're fully powered down. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to unwire the iControl module from our panel. So now we're disconnected. And as you can see, our keypad bus is actually connected to another whip that goes up to the iControl. So I'm just going to take the wire tape off of our splices. I'm going to untwist each of them. And I'm going to remove the iControl from our keypad bus. Take the PIN module out and put it on the side. So now we're all set, and as you can see, there's nothing connected. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to reconnect our keypad to the ECP bus. So the first one we're going to do is the ground, terminal number 4. Tighten it up. Then we have our plus for the DC, terminal number 5. Tighten it up. As you can see, it says green right below that. That's one of our data connections. Tighten it up. And then it's going to say yellow right before the last data connection. Put that there. Tighten it up. So now we have our keypad reconnected to the VISTA system. I'm going to go ahead and plug in our backup battery again. And then I'm going to plug in the AC connection. Our VISTA system powers up. We have noise coming from the keypad. And as you can see, the keypad is giving the proper display as if we just powered up the VISTA system, which says that it's working. So if you do have an iControl module, this is how to remove it. If you do have any questions about this process, as it is kind of weird, it may not look as cut and dry as we just did on this system. The wires could be all over the place. Please give us a call, 888-818-7728. Feel free to send an email about the VISTA system, how to remove these iControl modules from the panel, how to set up the keypad, or any security system question that you have in general to support@alarmgrid.com, or head over to our website, www.alarmgrid.com. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe, and if you want to be notified when we post future videos, hit the notification button below and we'll send you an update when we do so. Thanks for watching and have a great day.